Hiya, it's Lou here. Today I'm going to be working on a Bible journal entry in my notebook. And the verse I'm journaling is 2 Corinthians 4 verse 6. For God who said, "Let there be light in the darkness," has made this light shine in our hearts so we can know the glory of God that is seen in the face of Jesus Christ. I've just cut a piece of card to the right size for my notebook or the Bible, and I'm cutting a piece of printer paper in half, and I'm going to draw half of a heart and then cut that out. So I'm going to take the outer piece of paper, and with some mustard seed distress ink, I'm going to use my blending tool to create a heart in the centre of the piece of card. Now I'm going to use the other heart that I cut out as a mask and then stipple on some black acrylic paint all around the rest of the page. I've printed out the verse on printer paper, and I'm going to add some colour over the top with the distress ink. Now the focal points I'm using here, like the little light bulbs, are from the Illustrated Faith Open Heart kit. I'll leave a link to where you can get that in the description. I've chosen to print mine onto matte photo paper and then cut them out. I'm just using a basic glue stick here to stick things down. Normally in my art journals I'd use something like a matte medium, which is a bit more permanent as a glue, but for my Bible journaling I just want something quick and easy and not too messy. Then, since I cut off the original cords that were attached to the light bulbs, I'm just drawing them back in with a black pen. Now if you wanted to, you could use this as a full page tip-in your Bible, in which case just put some double-sided sticky tape down one side and then put it into the margin of the Bible. But I'm going to be working in my notebook today, so I'm going to put some tape down all 4 sides and then some in the middle. On the other page I've got a few more elements from that Illustrated Faith kit that I want to add in, as well as leaving enough space for me to journal. So I'm just using some more distress ink. This is Black Soot with, this is a makeup brush I got from Poundland, and just adding a little bit more colour to this side just to balance it out with the other side. So that's my journal layout finished. If you enjoyed the video today or you found it inspirational, please do like or leave me a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And please do come and connect with me on Instagram, where I post more of my Bible journaling entries. Thanks for watching.